Tonight, the Fed Reserve is going to announce its decision regarding the further monetary policy, and tomorrow we will see the market's reaction to this news. This information is going to be in the spotlight. However, traders will also pay attention to other reports as well. To find out more details about it, watch video calendar for traders on InstaForex TV. First of all, investors should consider the news from Australia's labour market. This report is likely to have a negative impact on the Aussie, as it will remind about the economy's weakness and the need for stimulus measures. Yesterday, the Reserve Bank of Australia announced that it was ready to lower its interest rate once again, even though it had been already cut to the historical low of 1% in June and July. The pound-dollar pair traders will be on alert tomorrow as the Bank of England's meeting and the retail sales data are scheduled. Traditionally, such day is called Super Thursday. Both the rate and share buyback program are expected to remain unchanged and trigger the short-term sell-offs of the pound. Besides, the pound's peers may appreciate one more report which is due before the meeting of the Monetary Policy Committee's outcome will be released. A few hours before the Bank of England's meeting ends, we will learn about the UK domestic consumption. The retail sales report will shed some light on consumer sentiment and the upcoming changes in the inflation. The indicator is anticipated to lower to 2.9% from 3.3% on a year-on-year basis. A similar report from Canada will finish this weekly session. Experts forecast the country's retail sales to advance by 0.4% after remaining unchanged in the previous months. If this outlook gets confirmed, the loonie will finally strengthen, especially considering its moderate reaction to an increase in oil prices. Apart from the mentioned events, traders should look at the following publications. The GDP data from New Zealand will open a trading session tomorrow. The Bank of Japan and the Swiss National Bank will follow the Bank of England and announce their interest rates decisions. Canada's ADP employment change and the US Philadelphia Fed manufacturing survey will come from the American continent. Friday is going to be a busy day as well. Japan's inflation will set a tone in the morning. Germany's producer price index and the European Union consumer confidence report will be out during the European trade. At the end of the weekly session, market players will focus on the speech of the FOMC member Eric Rosengren. You are watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tikhina. We wish you profitable deals.